Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with Chanel. Say hi! And today's background is a bit different because I'm shooting inside my closet. And I just came back from Masari opening event. That's why I look super formal. And it's been such a long time since I played dressed up. So this afternoon when I'm wearing this dress, I look at myself in the mirror and I'm like, oh my god, I look so feminine. Because I've been wearing a lot of casual clothes lately. I've been wearing like t-shirt, baggy t-shirt and jeans because I've been so lazy to dress up. And today, I would like to read through about assumptions of me. This morning, I posted a question box on my IG story and I asked all of you to write your assumptions about me. And today, I would like to read through all of the answers with you guys. So let's start. Okay, number 1, sassy and classy. I don't know if that's an assumption or impression, but this is such a good impression. So thank you. Yang kedua, petakilan. Actually, I cannot deny that because it's true. I'm a bit weird. Next one, very tall, 170-ish. I wish. Actually, I am just 163 centimeters. Number 4, beautiful. Thank you. Perfectionist and detail-oriented. Yes, I am. How do you know? Ini kebanyakan complimentary. So thank you so much. Gak suka makan pedas. Tatot, salah sekali. I love spicy food. I have to eat spicy food every day. Kadang-kadang Calvin sampai bilang, bisa gak sih makanan hari ini di rumah gak pedes? Humble, no jaim, gokil. Actually, maybe kalau misalnya aku baru kenal orangnya, I can be a bit jaim. Karena kalau misalnya aku kasih lihat the real me, I think people will be super shocked. Karena the real me is so crazy and so weird, and I don't think a lot of people can take that. Just ordinary girl yang apparently smart, stylish, bisa gila. Tapi kalau di geng influencer tuh masuk geng baik-baik. What is that? This is so funny. Emang ada ya geng influencer jahat dan geng influencer baik? I don't even know that. Thank you so much. These are all so positive. Bisa gila, yes. Aku bisa gila. Cool, fun, can be super chill but straightforward. Good listener. Aw, thank you. I try to be a good listener, so I hope I am. I don't think I can judge it myself. Only my friends can say that. Super chill but straightforward. I think yes. Kalau misalkan situasinya aku emang harus straightforward and mendisiplinkan, then I have to do that. Sepertinya nggak bisa diam beraktivitas terus. Actually, I think it's a balance for me. Aku bisa ada minggu yang super sibuk, ada minggu yang aku cuma mau rest doang dan mau kerja di rumah gitu. Aku pergi ke event juga, event-event yang mungkin emang brandnya aku udah support dari dulu. Aku lebih milih-milih kerjaan juga karena aku lebih mau jaga kesehatan juga sih. And I just love working from home. I think bikin aku jadi punya banyak content ideas. Aku juga bisa ngeplan mau tulis apa ya for my blog. So I think that helps a lot. Doyan banget sama Indomie. Bikin iman diet orang-orang jadi lemah lihat Indomie malam-malam. Maafkan aku sangat teramat cinta banget sama Indomie. Well, of course nggak makan setiap hari lah ya. Know the balance guys, stay healthy. Tapi aku emang suka Indomie. Kalau misalkan malam-malam lagi lapar atau kayak dinner aku tuh kayak kurang enak, aku tuh pasti biasanya makan Indomie. Dan kalau misalkan kalian udah sering follow my IG stories, pasti tahu dong cabenya seberapa banyak. Cool, work hard, diligent, apa adanya. Oh, so sweet. I hope I am diligent, but I work hard, yes, and apa adanya. Not during events, tapi aku mencoba selalu untuk apa adanya bersama teman-teman aku. Cranky and arrogant, but it was actually really wrong. This is so funny. Jadi mungkin impression pertama aku cranky. Aku emang kayak gampang cranky ya. Dan ini sebenarnya banyak banget sih yang bilang kayak, oh first impressionnya tuh kayak jutek banget, sombong banget. Dan sebenarnya awal-awal I don't really see it, tapi ternyata pas orang ngambil candid photos of me kalau lagi diem, aku baru ngerti kayak, oh ini toh yang dimaksud sama orang-orang mukanya jutek. Padahal kalau misalnya aku ngaca, nggak kelihatan gitu. I keep telling myself to smile more. Cerewet? I don't think so. Mungkin karena Calvin itu cerewet banget and he's very extrovert and he is very talkative sampai next level. Karena my comparison every day is him, aku tuh nggak cerewet sama sekali. Aku tuh lumayan introvert, jadi agak susah untuk aku untuk open up to new people yang langsung kayak, hey guys, this is what I feel. Tapi dengan teman-teman aku yang aku udah ngerasa comfortable, I can be talkative sometimes. Offbeat kalau ngedance, ini very detail banget ya. Kapan kamu lihat aku dance? But it's true. I'm such a bad dancer, but I love to dance. Not professionally, but like silly dance. You know what I mean? Never give up, always hardworking, but never forget to be grateful and humble. Oh, you guys are so sweet. Yes. Maybe yes. Never give up. That's my life mantra. Ini yang paling banyak ditanyain sama semua orang, so I wanna take this time to clarify it in this video. Karena aku juga agak bingung, kenapa sih semua orang kepo banget nanyain hal ini gitu. Kenapa sih Kak Olivia kayaknya nggak cocok sama fashion blogger yang lain? Ada masalah apa sih sama fashion blogger yang lain? Aku lumayan bingung sih, karena kalau misalnya aku di event, sebenarnya aku lumayan sering instastory with other fashion bloggers. And also some of my best friends are actually content creator juga gitu. Memang mungkin nggak deket sama semuanya. Gak mungkin kan kita bisa deket sama semuanya, pasti ada yang lebih cocok gitu. I guess banyak banget yang nanyain ada masalah apa sih sama perkumpulan fashion blogger. I don't think I have any problem, to be honest. My life motto is to never hate anyone and to not hold any grudge with anyone gitu. Tapi di lain sisi kita juga nggak bisa kontrol apa yang orang rasakan ke kita. Mungkin ada orang yang nggak suka sama aku, mungkin ada beberapa orang yang nggak klik sama aku, dan it's fine gitu, karena nggak bisa kita paksain semua orang untuk cocok sama kita kan. Mungkin different character, different personality, different value. Tapi ya dari sisi aku nggak ada masalah sama siapapun. Mungkin aja ada orang yang punya masalah sama aku, but it is outside my control gitu. Dan sebenarnya di hidup ini, it's all about how you react to a situation. Karena banyak banget hal di dunia ini yang sebenarnya outside our control. Dan daripada pusingin untuk kita mau mengontrol orang-orang lain, mendingan kita fokus untuk how we react to the problems gitu. Jadi pasti menurut aku ada aja sih yang gak suka sama aku, karena gak mungkin kan semua orang bisa suka sama aku. So I guess that's the answer that I can give you guys. If you guys wanna know more, maybe kalian bisa nanya orang yang bersangkutan. Tapi dari aku gak ada masalah. Humble, suka pakai baju yang unik, tapi kata Koko aneh. Koko ini maksudnya Calvin ya. Bener banget, kita berdua tuh kebetulan super berbeda. Calvin itu orangnya very simple. He doesn't like to spend his money on shopping. He doesn't really care about looks. Dia lebih suka kayak nabung, lebih kayak gitu-gitu lah, which is good. I think it's a balance for our family gitu. Dan Calvin kadang-kadang suka komplain kalau misalnya aku pakai barang-barang yang terlalu unik. Jaket bulu-bulu warna ungu, dia tuh bisa kayak, kamu pakai apaan sih, aneh banget. Atau kayak sendal bulu-bulu, dia tuh nggak suka banget. But I do understand why, because he's just a simple guy gitu. Beautiful soul and a Proverbs 31 woman. Aww, you're so sweet. Fashionable, kind, and loving God. Thank you so much. Humble, religious, smart, cheerful, everything perfect you. Oh my god, I am far from perfect. I think it's such a pressure to get that comment, I guess, because I am not perfect. And regarding the religious part, I wanna be called righteous rather than religious, karena religious itu bukan berarti kita hidup yang benar, tapi kalau misalkan righteous itu berarti kita emang mau hidup benar sesuai apa yang dikatakan di Bible. Sombong, hahaha. Iya, udah dibahas tadi, mukaku memang judes, menyeramkan, galak. Judes, sombong, lagi. Oh my god, so many. Humble and smart. Actually kalau misalkan smart itu kan relatif banget ya. Kalau misalkan mau ngomongin akademik, I don't think I'm very smart. I'm more creative rather than smart. I think Calvin is a lot smarter than me. Nah, the next assumption is quite interesting. You came from a wealthy family, so you can provide all the branded things in your early career. This is not true. I grew up in a decent family. Aku nggak pernah kekurangan apapun. Maksudnya kayak rumah ada, comfortable. Maksudnya makanan juga selalu ada. So I grew up in a really decent family. But I wouldn't say that I came from a wealthy background. My parents are very, very, very simple. Mereka tuh orang tersimpel yang aku pernah tahu di dunia ini, especially my mom. My mom tuh nggak pernah suka beli barang-barang. They work really, really hard. I think just a little background about my parents. Mereka itu dari daerah. Dulu mereka itu dari Kalimantan. Mereka dilahirkan di sana. Mereka sebenarnya dari keluarga yang kurang, tapi my dad merantau ke Jakarta. Dan he works really, really hard from zero untuk bisa bayarin anak-anaknya untuk mendapatkan edukasi. My parents aja tuh nggak kuliah, jadi mereka cuma lulus sekolah aja. But I'm really grateful for my parents karena banyak banget value yang aku belajarin dari mereka, especially my mom yang super duper humble. She doesn't like to spend money, so kadang-kadang aku jadi compare myself like, oh, my mom lives such a simple life, but I lived a comfortable life with my parents. And now, I work really hard for myself and for my family. You and Calvin postponed to have a kid for now. Yes and no. Aku nggak mau bilang postpone kali ya. Kalau misalkan emang dikasih sama Tuhan, ya obviously we will be very, very happy. Cuman aku sama Calvin itu lebih pengen plan kayak, okay, everyone always said, oh kalian tuh gak bakal pernah ready, just do it, ntar kalian bakal belajar along the way. Yes, I agree, kita bakal belajar along the way. Aku tuh mau mentally ready gitu. Mentally ready tuh bukan cuman kayak, oh I have a baby now, I have to be ready. Tapi lebih yang kayak, oh gimana ya, aku mau ngajarin good values to my kid. Aku sedih aja kalau ngelihat banyak young parents, mungkin sebenarnya dia ready to have kids, especially di Indonesia. Oh, you can just hire a nanny gitu, untuk kayak take care of your kids. Tapi banyak banget yang aku pikirin sebagai, kalau aku mau menjadi seorang ibu gitu, kayak value apa ya yang aku harus ajarin ke anak aku, karakter-karakter apa ya yang aku harus tanamkan di dia gitu, dan kayak respons apa ya yang aku nggak boleh keluarkan dengan anak aku. Apakah ntar dengan respons aku yang negatif itu bikin anak aku jadi insecure. Aku pengen ngebenerin diri dulu sama pasangan aku, which is my husband now, supaya kita bisa plant good and positive values to our kids gitu. Misalnya contohnya, I grew up in a very traditional Chinese family and we never talk about our feelings. I don't blame my parents karena my parents juga nggak tahu gitu. Mereka nggak ada yang ngajarin gimana sih jadi good parents. And I think it's very interesting karena orang selalu mementingkan kayak, oh pokoknya kita tuh zaman sekarang harus sekolah tinggi, harus jadi anak yang pintar, harus ranking, harus kayak harus juara. Apakah ada yang ngajarin kita untuk jadi good parents, atau adakah yang ngajarin kita jadi good wife? Ekspektasi dunia sekarang ya udah, kalian tuh jadi orang yang sukses pokoknya kalau misalnya udah selesai sekolah. Berapakah banyak orang yang mementingkan, oh am I being a good wife? Apa ya yang aku bisa belajarin lagi selain just be comfortable? I guess itu yang lebih penting sebenarnya. How to be a good wife, how to be a good daughter, how to be a good son, and how to be a good parents. Because it's not easy to be a good parents. I want to be a good parents for my kid whenever we are ready, and if it's also God's timing, then of course I will be happy and I will share the news to all of you. You are smart and independent woman. Thank you. I hope that is right. You are kind and patient. Dari suaranya aja kayak super calming. Love you, Chi. I love you too. Religious yet fun. This is actually the topic that I brought during my workshop. The title was How to Live a Righteous Life in a Modern World. And basically we talk about how to have fun while living a righteous life. Mungkin persepsi dunia zaman sekarang adalah, oh orang-orang yang percaya Tuhan atau orang-orang yang beragama itu mereka nggak bisa have fun karena terlalu banyak rules yang mengekang mereka, which is so not true. I used to think that as well. So aku mengerti kenapa banyak yang melihat, banyak yang mengasumsi seperti itu. Tapi sebenarnya kalau misalkan kalian really read the Bible, Tuhan itu sudah mendesain hidup kita untuk kita enjoy. Untuk kita enjoy life itu gimana sih? Mungkin standar-standar dunia zaman sekarang corrupted. It's very very corrupted. Standar manusia sekarang untuk have fun adalah yang kayak gini-gini nih, kayak kebanyakan negatif. Tapi sebenarnya we can also have fun in righteous way. Dan ini I think it's gonna be a different topic because it's gonna be so long. But actually you can have a lot of fun while living a righteous life if you really know the boundaries and the right values. Kak Olive badannya bagus, kukira makannya healthy food terus. Ternyata nge-mie juga. Hidup Indomie. Suka banget Indomie. Dan aku emang naturally thin gitu. Jadi emang dari dulu sampai sekarang aku bisa dibilang badannya lumayan di kategori kurus. Aku nggak tahu ini ada hubungannya atau enggak. Tapi waktu aku bayi, aku tuh baru pulang ke rumah selama kalau nggak salah beberapa hari, 3 hari kalau nggak salah. Terus aku tuh sakit parah banget, kayak aku tuh diare, terus badan aku kuning, pokoknya tuh udah bener-bener sekarat. Semua my aunties, my uncles tuh udah bilang kayak, iya tau gak sih dulu waktu kamu bayi, kamu tuh udah kayak hampir meninggal, karena dokternya tuh udah bilang, oh kayaknya ini udah gak ada hope gitu. Jadi aku dulu waktu bayi sempet sakit parah banget, dan semua keluarga besar tuh udah merelakan aku, udah kayak, oh ya udahlah kasihan bayi ini, karena tuh dulu aku pakai selang, terus pakai kabel-kabel yang di seluruh badan, terus kalau masih bayi kan ditaruh kayak di dalam akuarium kecil gitu kan, akuarium, apa sih, glass box gitu. Dan orang tuh kayak my aunties, my uncles, my parents tuh udah ngeliatnya udah super sedih, jadi udah kayak, oh ya udahlah let go aja daripada bayi ini kesakitan gitu. But here I am, hello mom, hello dad, I survived. Aku nggak tahu ada hubungannya atau enggak, but hopefully my body is healthy. Aku baru medical check up juga dan semuanya the result is very very good, even better than Calvin. I'm so proud. But hopefully I will stay healthy forever. Amin. Positive influencer. Amin, 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 amin. Intimidating. I get that a lot. Judging eyes. Kadang takut mau nyapa. Oh, jangan dong. Maksudnya kalau misalnya lihat aku di public places, to be really honest, aku tuh lebih appreciate orang yang come up to me and bilang kayak, hi, I follow you on Instagram, I know you and everything, daripada kalau misalnya aku ke suatu tempat dan orang tuh kayak mulai bisik-bisik, terus kayak pura-pura kayak ngelirik ke aku, terus ntar kasih tau temennya. I feel very uncomfortable because I'm not an object, you guys. I prefer someone comes up to me and just talk to me because I'm a person and I want to seek a relationship with you guys. I'm not an object. Next, chill and pretty but weird in a good way. Haha, I am weird. Awesome. You are hot. I love you, Chi. Wow. Thank you. Perfectionist. Yes, sometimes. Next, disiplin kerja dan professional. Always strive for the best. Yes. Just lovely and positive girl. Ah, you guys are so sweet. Ini kayak banyak banget yang positif. Awalnya aku takut banget bikin question box assumption about me, karena aku kayak takut, aduh gimana ya kalau misalnya banyak yang negatif, terus aku pas baca jadi down. Tapi ternyata kalian baik banget, banyak banget yang positif. Tough look, soft heart. Aku nggak tahu soft heart itu seperti apa. Cuman kalau misalkan dibilang sensitif banget, aku nggak terlalu sensitif. Maksudnya dalam arti kalau misalkan orang tuh ngejokes yang mungkin kadang-kadang lumayan kayak nusuk gitu, I'm okay with that. Well, I guess depending on the person juga siapa yang ngejoke kayak gitu. But aku tuh karena orangnya kalau aku udah comfortable with my circle dan aku ngerasa aku udah deket banget, aku tuh bisa ngejoke yang mungkin kayak lumayan nyakitin gitu. Tapi bukan karena aku pengen nyakitin mereka, cuman it's just a joke gitu. Dan aku juga pilih-pilih lah kayak, oh kira-kira grup mana nih yang nggak bakal salah sangka gitu. Dan kalau misalkan nonton movie, aku sering banget nangis sih. Dan kadang-kadang Calvin suka bingung gitu di bioskop, dia kayak ngeliatin aku kayak, ngapain ya orang nangis? Karena mungkin for Calvin it's not a sad scene, tapi aku tuh kayak bisa merasakan apa yang karakter itu rasakan gitu. Jadi I guess I'm very sensitive in a way that I can read people's feeling. Kalau misalnya temen aku lagi ada masalah juga, aku juga kayak bisa ngerasain apa yang mereka rasain. So I don't know if that's considered as soft heart. Serious, reality, uniquely ridiculous. Love your squid face. What is squid face? Bianca, what is that? Is this a squid face? But thank you. Uniquely ridiculous. I love that word. Don't like cooking. Yes, I don't like cooking. But I have to grow in that area because Calvin expects me to cook more. Not cook more. I never cook. So, to cook. Inspiration. Thank you. Super kind and faithful to God. Amen. You were the cool kids clan throughout your school year. Not really. Tapi dulu waktu sekolah banyak yang naksir sih. Super pede. Tapi waktu aku kayak ngeliat foto waktu zaman sekolah di hard disk gitu, aku kayak wondering, gila, I look so ugly, culun banget. Tapi banyak banget yang suka ngirimin love letter. So I don't know, maybe love is blind. Cuman kalau misalkan dibilang selalu di geng yang paling hits, I don't think so. Waktu high school, waktu masih primary and high school, I don't really have a lot of friends. Actually, aku dibully a lot karena for some reason my senior tuh jealous banget, yang the girl senior tuh jealous banget kalau misalnya aku tuh dapat love letter from the guy senior. I don't know why. Kayak I don't even like them back gitu. Jadi aku suka disensiin dulu di sekolah dan dibully selalu. One of the most kindest and realist influencer. I hope so. You were never a fashion victim. Menurut aku semua orang pasti pernah jadi fashion victim sih. Iya nggak sih? Dulu rambut aku pernah yang ubur-ubur, yang kayak di sini tuh kayak tipis banget, terus jabrik-jabrik, terus kayak bawahnya kayak cumi-cumi tentacle gitu. Itu kayak aneh banget sih. Makeup juga dulu menor banget, super aneh. Dan pasti masih banyak lagi lah. Oh, aku dulu pernah pakai tank top, terus pakai rok pendek, sama pakai dasi. Karena dulu Avril Lavigne kayak gitu. Parah sih. Polos, tipe yang gampang dijailin. I don't think so. Aku gampang dikagetin. Aku tuh orang kagetan banget. Cuman kalau dijailin, kayaknya enggak deh. Ambisius parah. Ambisius iya. Kalau parah, kayaknya enggak deh. Balance. It's all about balance, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for sending all of your assumptions. This is quite a long video, I guess. I've been shooting for almost an hour, but I'm gonna cut this video, of course, and edit it so that you guys are not bored watching it. So I guess that's it for today. I hope aku lumayan clarify all the things yang kalian tuh selalu penasaran, selalu nanya-nanya di DM. Olive tuh dibully ya? I don't think people bully me, but some people maybe don't like me and it is outside my control, so that's fine as long as we don't hate them back. Jangan pernah balas kejahatan dengan kejahatan. Dulu aku kayak gitu. Kalau misalnya dia nggak baik sama aku, ya udah aku nggak usah baik sama dia. But I think as we grow older and as my values also change, just keep reminding yourself to always do the right thing in God's eye. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I think this video is quite personal. At least to me it's personal. So thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys again on my next video. Bye. 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 Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Bye.